Sum of all the natural numbers from 1 to 100 that are neither a multiple of 2 nor a multiple of 5. Neither a multiple of 2 nor a multiple of 5. Neither a multiple of 2. Suppose there are 1 to 100 natural numbers are there. 1 to 100 natural numbers are there. Right? Which are not a multiples of 2. Total 100 numbers are there. For every 2 consecutive numbers, you take any 2 consecutive numbers, one number will be divisible by 2. Neither a multiple of 2. So out of 2, one is divisible by 2, one is not divisible by 2. Nor a multiple of 5. Out of 5 consecutive numbers, one is divisible by 5, 4 are not divisible by 5. So this is 40. This is 40. I hope the idea it is clear. So there are 40 numbers are there. 40 numbers are there which are neither a multiples of 2 nor a multiple of 5. It is as equivalent to asking number of natural numbers. Number of natural numbers less than or equivalent to 100 and co-prime to 100. And co-prime to 100. This question is as equivalent to asking this. Number of natural numbers less than or equivalent to 100 and co-prime to 100. What is 100 in prime basis? 2 square into 5 square. Co-prime means it should not be divisible by 2. That is what it is mentioned in the question. Co-prime to 100 means it should not be divisible by 5. That means it should not be divisible by 5. 5 2s are 10, 40 numbers are there. 40 numbers are there. Sir, I want to know which are all the 40 numbers which are co-prime to 100. 3 is co-prime to 100. 97 it is co-prime to 100. Are you all with me? Right? 7 is co-prime to 100. 93 it is co-prime to 100. 93 it is co-prime to 100. Next, it cannot be, if I take 3, 5, it cannot be 2 and 5 multiples. So if I take 11, 11 is co-prime to 100. 89 it is co-prime to 100. Are you all with me? Are you all with me? I want entire these sum. Entire 3 plus 97, 7 plus 93, 11 plus 89. There are 40 numbers are there which are co-prime to 100. 40 numbers. This is the list of all the 40 numbers. 3, 7, 11. Similarly 13, 87. 13 is co-prime to 100, 87 is co-prime to 100. Sum I require. See here, out of 40 numbers, 2 numbers sum is 100. 2 numbers sum is 100. Out of 40 numbers, 2 numbers sum is 100. Like that 20 doublets are there. 100 into 20, answer is 2000. 100 into 20, answer is 2000. I hope the idea it is clear. Very, very good question. See, again I am repeating, there is a natural number 100. Step number 1, write 100 as a product of power of prime basis, 2 square into 5 square. He is asking count from 1 to 100 which should not be divisible by 2 and which should not be divisible by 5. That is the meaning of this line. Out of 100 numbers, what am I saying is, for every 2 consecutive numbers, you take any 2 consecutive number that comes into your mind. 6 comma 7. 6 is divisible by 2. 12 comma 13. 12 is divisible by 2. For every 2 consecutive numbers, 1 is divisible. How many are not divisible? Remaining 1. Out of 5 consecutive, 1 is divisible. How many are not divisible? 4. 2 5s are 10, cancel. 40 numbers I got. That means there from 1 to 100 there are 40 numbers are there which are not divisible by 2 and 5. Let me list that numbers. 3 is not divisible by 2 and 5. 97 also is not divisible. These are 40 numbers from ascending order from 3 to 97. But what I observed is, out of 40 numbers, there are 2 numbers whose sum is becoming 100. There are 2 numbers, 3 and 97 100, 7 and 93 100, 11 and 89 100, 13 and 87 100. Out of 40 numbers, you take 2 numbers. That means 20 doublets I am taking. Doublet value is 100. Sum will become 2000. No formula, pure logical way of looking at this question. Please pause it and repeat these question once again. Very, very good question, sir.